Every RV owner knows that bin. The one so packed with hoses, tools, and half-used duct tape that you're afraid to even open it. Today, we're fixing that. Whether you live full-time in your rig or just hit the road a few weekends a year, these 20 RV storage hacks will help you reclaim space, reduce clutter, and make your setup work smarter. We're talking real ideas, not Pinterest fluff. And hey, if you've got a favorite trick of your own, drop it in the comments and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Our next video is a list of must-do tricks to protect your RV while it's stored outside. Alright, let's dive in. Section 1. Kitchen Area. Hack number 1. Tension rod shelf dividers. Inside deep cabinets, use small tension rods vertically to create slots for cutting boards, trays, and pans. Instant custom shelving without tools. Hack number 2. Collapsible cookware. Silicone dish racks, bowls, and even kettles fold flat when you're done. Magma's nesting cookware is another great option. Full stainless set, all fits into one pot. Hack number 3. Magnetic spice racks. Stick magnetic spice tins to the side of your fridge or mount a metal strip under the cabinet lip. It clears up an entire drawer and keeps spices from rattling loose during travel. Hack number 4. Command hooks everywhere. Inside cabinet doors, under shelves, even beside the sink. Hang utensils, pot holders, foil, or paper towels. They're removable, cheap, and don't damage walls. Hack number 5. Dollar store drawer bins. Grab a handful of plastic bins or bamboo organizers and fit them snugly inside drawers. They stop utensils from sliding, and you'll never again play 52-card pickup with your forks after a rough road day. Section 2. Bathroom Area. Hack number 6. Cut a shoe organizer in half. Those over-the-door fabric organizers are gold. Cut one in half, hang the top behind the bathroom door for toiletries, and the bottom half under the sink for cleaning supplies. Hack number 7. PVC pipe toothbrush and razor holder. Cut short sections of PVC, glue them to a small board, and mount it near the mirror. Keeps things upright, clean, and drip-free. Hack number 8. Velcro-mounted soap and shampoo dispensers. Those refillable wall dispensers made for boats or gyms? Perfect for the RV shower. Mount them with Velcro so they can be removed for cleaning. No more bottles rolling around during travel. Hack number 9. Stackable drawers for linens. RV bathrooms never have enough closet space. Narrow, clear plastic drawer sets turn unused corners into real storage. Section 3. Exterior storage. Hack number 10. Sliding storage trays or DIY drawer systems. Build plywood trays on full extension drawer slides or roller tracks. You'll never again crawl on your hands and knees to reach the back of a compartment. Hack number 11. Cord reel organizer for power cables and hoses. Install retractable or manual cord reels right inside your storage bay. One for the 50-amp cord, one for the fresh water hose. No more wrestling with a pile of tangled rubber snakes. Hack number 12. PVC tube for sewer hose storage. Mount a 4-inch PVC pipe with screw caps under the rig or along a frame rail. Keeps the sewer hose isolated and the main compartments clean. Bonus tip. Spray the inside with silicone so the hose slides in easier. Hack number 13. Clear plastic storage bins with non-slip liners. Use shallow, stackable bins to separate tools, adapters, and cleaning gear. Line the floor with non-slip drawer liner so nothing shifts or rattles while driving. It looks tidy, travels quietly, and saves you from playing "What bin did I put that in?" every time you set up camp. Hack number 14. PVC tube storage sleeves under the frame. Mount 5-inch PVC fence post sleeves under the rig to hold rolled hoses, awning tie-downs, or extension cords. Keeps bulky gear out of the main bay and ready to deploy when you need it. Section 4. Bedroom Area. Hack number 15. Lift up bed storage with gas struts. Add gas struts to the underbed panel, and suddenly you've got easy access to a massive storage bay for seasonal clothes or spare bedding. No more wrestling a mattress like it's a jiu-jitsu match. Hack number 16. Velcro-mounted LED strip lights under overheads. Stick rechargeable LED light strips under cabinets, inside drawers, or along the bed base. They light up when you need them, charge by USB, and make a huge difference during late-night searches. No wiring, no glare, no fumbling for a switch. Hack number 17. Velcro remote holders or wall-mounted pouches. Stick a soft pouch on the wall beside the bed or recliner for remotes, glasses, or your phone. You'll thank yourself the next time you hit a bump and your remote doesn't go airborne. Hack number 18. Foldable fabric bins in overhead cabinets. Overhead, storage is a nightmare without structure. Use foldable bins sized just right to fill the space. They keep things from shifting and make it easy to pull down one category at a time. Section 5. Bonus habits. Hack number 19. The one in, one out rule. For every new gadget or piece of gear you bring into the RV, one old item has to go. It's simple math that keeps your rig from turning into a rolling thrift store. Hack number 20. The reset routine. Before every travel day, spend 15 minutes resetting everything to its travel position. Counters clear, cabinets latched, gear bungeed. It's the difference between a smooth trip and discovering your coffee maker in the hallway after the first turn. Storage isn't just about space, it's about sanity. When everything has a place, your RV feels bigger, lighter, and easier to live in. If even one of these ideas helped clean up your setup, hit that thumbs up. It helps more RVers find this video. And tell us in the comments which hack you're stealing or share your own. Some of the best ideas come from you guys out there on the road. Subscribe so you don't miss the next one. We're breaking down the smartest ways to keep your RV safe from the elements, and a few of them might just surprise you. Until then, travel light, pack smart, and enjoy the ride.